Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will explore some of the most essential Linux commands that every beginner should know. I will demonstrate how to use these commands with practical examples, so let's get started. I have installed VirtualBox on my Windows machine. In that VirtualBox, I have created a Rocky Linux VM. I'm taking SSH access of that Rocky Linux VM using MobaXterm SSH client. So let's get started. ls command displays the files in the current directory. ls just lists the file, and if we run ls-l, it shows the detailed information like permission, size, and the date. Here's the permission, user, group, and the time. With this, if you run ls-a, let me clear the screen. If you run ls-a, it will also shows hidden files. You can see .vbox client, .less.stl, .local, .mozilla. All these hidden files it will show by using ls-a. So now let's see the next command. pwd is a present working directory. It shows the current directory path, and you can also check pwd-l. It will show logical path, and pwd-p it will show physical path. As of now, we are not having any logical or symlink created directory here, so it is showing the same directory /home/admin user. So the next command is the cd. It's a change directory. Cd, if I go to cd/etc, it moves to /etc directory. Check pwd command, it will show /etc. When you do cd ... it will move up one level. It will go to the root directory. See, now if you run cd hyphen, so it will switch to the previous directory, which was our /etc, this one. So we did cd ... and later we switch back to the previous directory, it's /etc. Now let's create a directory. Let's see the next command is mkdir. mkdir, I will create a folder, folder 1. We are creating directory in etc, so we don't have permission. So I will go to the home directory of admin user. So here I can create mkdir my folder 1, and here you can see using ls-l d, it will show the directory. ls-el, it will show all the directories. Here I created a directory my folder 1. So if I want to remove directory rmdir and the folder name. So if you check, the directory is deleted. And the next command is touch. Touch quickly creates a empty file. If I say touch file 1, it will create a file with a empty file. It does not have any data in it, so it shows 0 byte. So let's Let's remove it. rm -fr file1. With this command we can remove the files, and also mostly whenever we work with lot of files, so we run ls-l t for time, reverse, and human readable. We run like this ltrh, and pwd is mostly used whenever you are working with some other major task or activity. You need to check in which directory you are running the command, and the touch command is used to create a empty file. And by using ls command you can list the files, directories, and with cd we can switch the directory to /tmp, or you can do /etc/ you can see present working directory etc/m.repos.d. So here if I want to go back to one directory, I will run cd dot dot. So now I am in etc directory. If I want to directly move to the home directory, I will use tilde symbol. So check the present working directory. It's /home/admin user. So that's it for the video. Today we covered some basic Linux commands like ls, pwd, cd, mkdir, and touch. These commands are the building blocks of for working with a Linux system. I hope you found this video helpful. Try this command by yourself and share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.